visually impaired child?
Well, it's hard because no matter how hard you explain, they have no idea what color looks like. But if I do it my way, I will use my voice. I will shout, I will cry, I will laugh, and I will whisper. Why? Simply because rainbow represents our differences. And that is our life. We cry because we fail. We shout for equality. We will laugh to those people who look down on us, and lastly I will whisper, my dear, I know you feel different because of your disability. Just like how I feel different because of my gender. But always